This is a chorizo grilled cheese sandwich done on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Can I get the chub? Thanks. We're gonna use Mexican chorizo, which is raw, it's uncured. Can't eat this stuff right away, gotta cook it. You can eat the Spanish chorizo right away. Just gonna go right down the middle here. Dump it right into my onion mixture. A little bit of kosher salt. And just to get it started, we're gonna use some olive oil. I'm gonna put this on a burner. Go ahead and get it nice and toasty. All right, it's looking about done. Now, there's a lot of fat in here, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in a little bowl with some paper towels just to drain out a little bit of the fat.
Bigger sandwiches. Some people put butter on the outside. They'd be wrong. Mayo is better because it has a higher smoke point, so you can get it crispy and brown without burning it. You don't need a lot, but you do need edge-to-edge coverage. Now we're doing mayo just on the outside. We're gonna actually build this on the grill. We're gonna do this on our Ninja Woodfire Grill because we can do it at a high temperature and add the woodfire flavor, but feel free to do this on any grill that you have. We have our queso quesadilla cheese, which is not only delicious, but it's one of the best melting cheeses out there. It's gonna make it super ooey, gooey, and delicious. So we're gonna put these on the grill, and then we're gonna put chorizo down, cover them with cheese, get them built. We're gonna add some of our woodfire pellets so we can have awesome woodfire flavor with our grilled cheese. Actually gonna take a little bit of this cotija cheese and sprinkle it in the mayo. It's gonna form a really nice cheesy crust. Don't skimp on the cheese here, people. Let's eat our chorizo grilled cheese.
Full recipe available at thegrill.dads.com.